Welcome back. It's time for business news. And David Muni Ichoho has resigned as chairman of the Kenya Tea Development Agency just days after Deputy President DP Gachagua vowed to remove from office certain directors at the tea agency over what he termed as misappropriation of farmers' money. Jasmine Murani with the details.
Reaction to the events of the Tea Forum held in Kericho County just last week. The man at the top of KTDA has tendered his resignation. David Muni Ichoho, the immediate former chairperson at KTDA, in a handwritten letter to the company secretary, says that he has relinquished his chairmanship at the agency. He does not specify his reasons for leaving. The letter in its entirety says, and I quote, "I hereby tender my resignation as a chairman of KTDA Holdings with immediate effect from Friday, 14th July 2023 at 2 p.m. But last Friday, the deputy president had this to say to the management of KTDA.
You cannot just sit in Nairobi and start a subsidiary without talking to the farmers. You cannot just sit in Nairobi and start a new project that is costing billions without talking to the owners of that money. That is the way these things will be done. I know you'll not be very happy with us. Again, we don't need you to love us. We have somebody to love us. On my phone, because I've never changed my phone, to me details on the travel of directors of KTDA. Somebody has traveled 36 times in 2 years out of the country. Yeah? On farmers' money. On farmers' money. So, my directors were KTDA tutakuwa na mazungumzo.
Ichoho resigns after 2 years at KTDA. He took the reins in June 2021 following the ouster of the previous KTDA board of directors in line with the Jubilee government's directive for reforms in the smallholder tea farming subsector. Jasmine Murani for KTN News.
Right now, barriers to free movement of goods and people within Africa remain